If your chocolate lava cake doesn't do this when you cut into it, well then we have a major problem in the kitchen. But don't worry, because today at Recipetaa, we're going to fix that together. Look at that center, pure liquid gold. Today, we're fixing that. We're going to master the art of the perfect molten core. We're talking about temperature, timing, and ingredients. Let's make something legendary. It's all about that perfect, satisfying flow. Welcome to the Recipetaa Masterclass. I'm Chef Olivia, and I am so excited to have you here in my kitchen today. We're tackling the legendary chocolate lava cake, a dessert that's deceptively simple, but the difference between success and a dry muffin lies in the smallest details. It's about precision, quality, and knowing exactly when to pull it from the heat. Our goal today isn't just to make a cake, it's to create a luxury experience. We want that crispy exterior and a center that is completely, gloriously molten. Let's look at the foundations of flavor together, step by step. Look at this lineup. We're using premium dark chocolate, rich unsalted butter, farm fresh eggs, and granulated sugar. Then there's pure vanilla extract, a touch of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt to make all those chocolate notes really sing. It's a simple list, but every item has a purpose. The chocolate is the heart, the eggs provide the structure, and the salt makes everything pop. Quality is everything here, and I'm going to show you why each one matters. Let's get started on this journey of flavors. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Step one is all about the melt. We're putting our dark chocolate and butter into this bowl to gently bring them together. Watch this transformation as the butter disappears into the dark chocolate. The mixture takes on this incredible glossy sheen. This is the texture we're looking for. Smooth, glossy, and completely melted. It's the foundation of that perfect lava center. You want to keep the heat low and the patience high. We want a gentle, even melt that keeps the chocolate stable and rich. See that shine? It's dark and beautiful. This is where the magic really starts to happen, and the aroma is already filling the kitchen with pure decadence. It's liquid gold. Now, we whisk our eggs and sugar until they're light and airy, then fold in that liquid gold. This gives the cake its structure while keeping the heart fluid. Fold it in gently. We want to preserve those air bubbles. And honestly, if you aren't getting a little chocolate on yourself, are you even cooking? Occupational hazard, wiping that away. Okay, now we fold in our flour and vanilla. Just a quick mix until it's perfectly combined. Overmixing is the enemy here. It's all about the texture. You can see the batter thickening and becoming perfectly smooth and glossy. It's almost ready to go into the ramekins for the main event. Look at those beautiful dark ribbons. Now for the secret technique, the ramekins. How you butter and coat these determines whether your cake unmolds perfectly or ends up in a heap on the plate. My secret pro tip, use cocoa powder instead of flour to coat the butter. It ensures a dark, rich exterior without those unsightly white streaks. Precision is everything in this kitchen. You want each one to be identical for even baking. And look at this, no, no, no. This is exactly what we're trying to avoid. We want perfection, so we're sticking to the plan. Fill them 3/4 of the way, giving them the perfect amount of space to rise and expand into that classic shape. It's all in the details. We fill the ramekins, ensuring each one is level and ready for the heat. Consistency is key here. Then they go into the oven for exactly 12 minutes. We're looking for just enough time to set the edges while leaving the center completely molten. Precision, precision, precision. Now we wait, but we have to stay alert. The countdown to perfection begins right now. The edges should be firm, but that heart needs to stay soft. Let's set the timer and wait for the transformation to complete. It's a game of minutes. This is the most stressful part for any chef to wait. You're watching the clock, checking the oven, and praying for that perfect flow. Every oven is different, so you have to stay alert. The edges should be firm, but that heart, it needs to stay soft. I can already smell the rich cocoa filling the air. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. It's almost time for the big reveal. The tension in the kitchen is real right now. Just a few more minutes. We're so close to that perfect molten center. Out they come. Give them just a minute to set, then carefully unmold. Perfect. Look at that shape, firm and golden brown on the outside. A little dusting of snow, some fresh berries, and now it's a masterpiece. Now that is a Recipetaa lava cake. It's a masterpiece of texture and temperature. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's absolute perfection on a plate. Just look at the contrast between the dark cake and the vibrant red of the berries. This is the moment we've been working toward, and it's every bit as beautiful as I imagined. It's exactly what we set out to achieve today, a true work of art. Now, for the moment of truth, the money shot. Watch as that dark liquid chocolate escapes. That center is exactly what we wanted, pure liquid gold. The contrast between the warm cake and that intense chocolate core. It honestly doesn't get better than this. It's a symphony of flavor and texture that melts in your mouth. Simply divine. You can see the richness of the chocolate just flowing. It's everything a lava cake should be. I'm so happy. Perfection in every single bite. This is the ultimate payoff for all our precision and care. It's pure indulgence. But the world of dessert is so much bigger than just one cake. Chocolate lava cake is just the beginning of our global dessert tour. Let's take a rapid fire tour of some of my favorites from Australia and France. We have the iconic coconut-covered lamington, which is a staple in every Australian bakery. Then there's the airy pavlova, piled high with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Don't forget the creamy Australian vanilla slice. And then we head over to France for those perfectly flaky croissants, elegant chocolate-filled eclairs, and delicate, colorful macarons. Each one has its own unique technique, its own history, and its own place in the Hall of Fame of desserts. I even have a soft spot for these buttery madeleines. I wasn't supposed to eat that one yet, but I couldn't help myself. There's so much beauty in these traditions. Exploring these global flavors is what Recipetaa is all about. Join me as we discover the sweetest secrets from around the world. Every pastry tells a story of culture and craftsmanship from Sydney to Paris. We've seen so many incredible treats today, but remember the 3 rules for our hero. Don't overbake, keep that batter texture glossy, and always serve it warm and immediate. The timing of your bake and the texture of your batter are what make or break this recipe. Master those and you've mastered the art of the lava cake. It's all about that perfect flow and the quality of your ingredients. If you follow these steps, you'll be the star of your next dinner party. Master these and you've got it. It's a skill that will stay with you forever, bringing a little bit of luxury to every meal you serve. Happy baking. One last bite for the road. Crispy on the outside, molten on the inside, exactly how a chocolate lava cake should be. I hope you give this a try at home. It's a simple luxury that makes any meal special. Perfection in every single bite. I'm so happy I could share this with you today. So good, truly divine. Enjoy. If you love restaurant-worthy recipes, follow Recipetaa and save this recipe for later. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Cook, enjoy, repeat. I can't wait to see your own lava cakes. Bye for now. Keep on baking and enjoying the sweet life. See you very soon.